Hey, welcome to Haven's Kitchen. I'm Will Coleman. Today we're making a golden zoodle tahini bowl, and I'm so excited to dive in. If you're wondering what a zoodle bowl is, we're using zucchinis to make noodles, a great healthy tip to upgrade your lunch. It's packed with flavor. It's a great make-ahead meal if you're working from home, if you need lunch on the go. This is a great recipe for you. So this is a recipe that you want to make at home. Subscribe right now to see future recipes. I don't know about you all, but I am getting really hungry, so let's get cooking. One of the great things about this recipe, you don't need any big fancy equipment, just one big bowl to toss everything up together. We have some zucchini that I went through the spiralizer with. If you don't have a spiralizer at home, no worries. Use a veggie peeler and cut them into ribbons. And then, of course, some salt, some cooking water. And of course, we have to add some flavor, a big bold flavor with our dressing. We have some chili flakes, some sesame seeds, some rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and of course, some matchsticks to give it some nice crunch and color. And with all these big flavors, we have to add the star of our show, our golden tahini. It's gonna add such a bright flavor that turmeric and tahini is gonna go perfect with the sesame seeds and the soy sauce. I can't wait. Now we're gonna toss some of our ingredients, including our warm soba noodles, all into one bowl. Those zucchini noodles as well. And then I wanna add in those mashed carrot sticks, finally. One of the things about cooking with zucchini is that you really need quite a bit of salt to give it some flavor. So I'm gonna toss this with some salt. And it's always better if you use my hands for me. Okay, so this is gently tossed, and I'm gonna make my dressing. This is where the flavor really comes in. We're using that tahini dressing, and I wanna use the same bowl that I have my zucchini noodles in because nobody has time for dishes, including me. I'm using my pouch of tahini, about a quarter pouch to do the trick just right. And then I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Give that a mix. And we don't really have to salt this at all because we have our soy sauce and we're using our pasta water. All right, our dressing is all done. Now I'm gonna toss it in with my zucchini noodles. And you wanna mix everything together until everything is coated really good. Nothing needs to get missed out on. This looks gorgeous. I mean, make ahead meals, lunches, dinners, you can't miss out on this. Now it's time to make this look extra pretty with some red chili flakes, some sesame seeds, cilantro, and that's all. We're gonna finish off with our cilantro, our red chili flakes for a little bit of spice, and one of my personal favorites, toasted sesame seeds. Look at that, that looks so gorgeous. It's gonna taste even better. You can toss it up a little bit, but other than that, you're all set. And there you have it. This looks amazing. It was incredibly easy to make, and guess what? It took about 10 minutes to make. This dish is packed with flavor. If you wanna add any extras like red onions or make it hearty with mushrooms, you can do that. This sauce is super versatile and goes well with pretty much almost every vegetable. If you've enjoyed this 10-minute recipe, be sure to give that like button some love and smash that subscribe button for some future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.